Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So today I'm going to use this polyurethane resin by Let's Resin, and let's start. So this is the kit, and in the kit you get these gloves, and this is part A and B. So this is really simple to use. It is a white opaque color. Before mixing it is a transparent, and when you're mixing and it is all cured, it turned into a white opaque, and the curing time is around 10 minutes, and for the color mixing you just have 2 to 3 minutes. So let's start. So this is the mold that I will be using today, and the technique that I'm going for is I'm going to try to do a marbling effect with this polyurethane resin. It is a very low viscosity resin. I need to see what results I get, but before that I'm going to create a sort of geode effect. For that I am using Let's Resin UV resin, and in the cup I've already poured some UV resin, and to this UV resin I'm adding this gold foil. So this is going into the UV resin. And to create some more interest, I am adding this aura paper. It is a cellophane paper. I'm mixing it, cut it into small pieces, and this is the UV lamp. Just keeping them on my side so that I can turn it on as soon. So these are also called the veins, geode veins. So I'm creating that effect here. So it's really up to you, whatever design you want to go with whatever color, with whatever. You can create this with glitter also. So I'm just simply doing it my way. And here I'm going to cure this under the UV lamp. So after curing, now it's time to do. So as I explained, that it is really simple and it is very low viscosity, so the pouring is a bit difficult. That's what I noticed. So I'm going to divide it into two colors. You can go with more colors also, but this is first time I'm trying it, so that's why I am going with two color. And in part A I'm mixing this mica powder. I haven't added the part B yet. So this is really good tip for you if you're using the polyurethane resin. Add your pigment into the part A before, and now I'm adding the part B. All the colors are mixed now, and it is the time to pour. Now let's see how I get the results, because I think no one has tried the marbling effect with the polyurethane resin. Yes, you can use the alcohol inks, but this is the mica one. So let's see how this is going to turn out. So I'm pouring this at the same time because it is going to start curing, and also the temperature is rising these days. We are getting the summer, so it also affects the curing time of the resin. So I know you can't see at the moment what I'm doing here, forgive me for that, but this is the effect that I got, and I'm going to leave this on the camera and you will see that it is cured on the camera, how fast it do cures. So it did cure in 10 minutes, but for extra precaution, I just gave it 15 minutes, and I have some leftover resin. So I had some molds are lying around, so I just poured in there. So here we go, a lovely flower. And this is, I think, the the marbling effect I'm going to get. And then I had this crystal mold also, and I just poured it simply, the white one that I had. And here we go, the crystal is out of the mold, and now it's time to demold the tray. It is really hot, but I am so excited to see how this is going to turn out. The color that I wanted to go for is actually something else. So this is just a trial. I want to see if it works, then I might try that again in another video. And here we go. It is out of the mold, and here we go. Yeah, I got a little bit of marbling, not too much. Yeah, I can see that the resin is so liquidy. So that's the main reason that you can't get a very accurate marbling effect, but still I have some color difference here. So I'm happy with the effect that I gave with the UV resin. Now I want to create the geode effect, but before that I'm going to use my UV lamp once more because the underneath I think it is not cured properly. So I'm going to cure that again. So after that, when it is cured, I am going to use some acrylic marker by Let's Resin, and these are the colors that I'm going to use. And here I'm going to create that geode effect. And here I will be creating some patterns, and again this is really up to you whatever color you want to go with. So I'm going to go with my color scheme here. So all done now, and on to the next step. And for my next step, I'm going to top coat it. So I have mixed my resin, and now I'm going to do the top layer. Using my heat gun to move the resin, and this is going to be the final step, and let's see the final look, how it looks like. And here we go. This is the final look of the trinket dish. I really love the fact that I got with the acrylic markers, and again I have used this polyurethane resin for making the marbling effect. So this is the first time I'm doing it, so I think I might try this again. Yeah, I know the split cup, and next time I think I will be using the split cup, and I might go with some darker colors, and then I will see the results. But all in all, I think it turned out to be lovely. Do let me know in comments what you think about that, and if you have any suggestions. So that's it for today. I will link everything in my description. So like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, and take very good care of yourself. Bye bye.